Thank you for trusting us with your upcoming real estate transaction. As we spend the next few weeks preparing for a smooth settlement, we wanted to contact you regarding the way funds will be exchanged for your settlement. As you may know, cybercriminals are targeting the real estate industry with scams designed to intercept or hijack wire transfers and divert money to a bank account controlled by the criminal. In addition, there have been instances of spoofed email addresses and fraudulent phone calls or messages with the intent to divert your deposit money or proceeds. It's important for you to know that we will not change our wiring instructions. If you receive a request directing you to wire your money to a different account, even if it appears the phone call or email is from our office, stop and immediately contact me at a trusted phone number, not a number provided in the message, to verify authenticity. And should we receive a similar request, we will do the same. Contact you to verify. We look forward to seeing you soon.